this video, we're going to look at another example of finding the volume of a triangular prism. So let's read the problem. The triangular prism has bases that are equilateral triangles. To the nearest cubic meter, what is the volume of the prism? Okay, well, if they're equilateral triangles, that would explain why I've only got one measurement here of 4 meters. That's the only thing I'm being told about the triangle. Which is fine, that's all I really need, because they also gave me the height, which is 3.5 meters, and I'm finding the volume. So as long as I've got those two numbers, I can find the base, and once I find the base, I can multiply it by the height of the prism, and I'm good to go. And as you notice in this example, this triangular prism is laying on one of its rectangular faces, but remember, in terms of the area of the base, we want the area of the triangular base. And let's start with our formula, which is volume equals base times height. And B is for the area of the face of the shape. And in this case, B is going to equal 1/2 of base times height. And B is going to equal 1/2 of, 4 multiplied by 3.5. And this, of course, is all in meters. And the base of this shape would be 7 meters squared. All right, the height of this triangular prism, is 11.6 meters. And now let's go back to our formula, and volume is equal to the base, capital B for area, multiplied by the height. So we've now got a base of 7 meters squared. And we're going to multiply that by the height of 11.6 meters. And that's going to tell us that our volume equals 81.2 meters cubed. However, in the problem, the last sentence is, to the nearest cubic meter, what is the volume of the prism? Well, the nearest cubic meter would be 81. So that would be 81 meters cubed. And that is the volume of this triangular prism.